Hello everybody. Today we'll make a simple program, tip silencer for the Deus WS4 headset. First we must start the detector. We'll wait a few seconds to connect to our coil, which is 9-inch coil, standard for the Deus. Let's check it. It's connected. Now we go to the program number 1, which I left. We change it, discrimination from 10 to okay. There you go. 40, 45, 50 is perfect. We heard some noise, but is not a good signal. Now we change it also the reactivity of the detector. We go into 0 to get more depth from the detector. Sensitivity go up to 98 or 97. I put it on 97 is more stable. TX power, we change it to 3, which is perfect, giving more depth for the target. Ground balance stay 90, 92, depends on the ground you have it. The frequency, change it to 18. It's perfect for the small target like this coin here. And now we go to the tones. We change it, now it's 3-tone, but we go to the full tone or pitch, depends which you like it. I prefer full tone. For me it's perfect. Now we go to the iron volume. Iron volume stay at 0 because we don't want to hear the iron sound. Now we go to the audio response. Now it's 4. We go to the 2. We do that because I want to know my signal is deeper or shower. This is for my knowledge about how deep I need to dig. I don't bring with me a big shovel or anything. I go with a knife digger. And this is the simple program you can do by yourself. You can save it easily. Now the depth of this small coin, before that was around 25 centimeters, and now is 35, 36, 37. 37 is the maximum. From here to here, the big difference. The iron will not hear it because this program is called silencer. We hear only the good signal and nothing but the good signal. I don't hear this very rusty old nail. If you like this program, you can try it. This is I use when I go to some trashy places with a lot of iron. It's perfect for the beginners. You can try it. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe, please. Thank you. Goodbye.